and because it is fall now. Damn.
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
Hey guys, how you doing? As you can see, I'm in the forest, obviously. And I went for a walk and I was thinking, how can I take interesting images in a forest? And I came up with a few ideas and a few tips I want to share with you. But first of all, if this is your second video watching on this channel, consider subscribing. If it's your first video watching on this channel, watch the second one and subscribe then. Anyways, let's start with the first tip. First tip I can give you is find color contrast. And it shouldn't be that hard in fall because all the trees and everything is changing its color, so easy in fall. But anyways, I found this really nice tree, maybe you can see behind me, which already changed its color and the trees next to it didn't, so it was really nice and interesting motive. But it's not only of trees, you can use other things as well, leaves, fruits, maybe some interesting mushrooms. If you find colorful mushrooms, you can use them as well. Something that has another color than the rest of it. The second tip I can give you is take close-up shots. Because maybe the first thing you are thinking about when you think about a forest are trees. But there's a lot more going on than just trees. You just have to take a look around yourself and on the floor. There are a lot of different and interesting things you can take pictures of. And there could be some insects, some interesting leaves, mushrooms, fruits, you name it. So don't focus too much on the trees, but use other things as well. Maybe smaller things than these huge trees around me. The third and last tip I can give you is look for light and shadow. You're in a forest and there are a lot of trees, but here and there the sun peeks through and you get some brighter spots than somewhere else in the forest. And I think that looks really amazing in an image, especially if you can tweak it a little bit in editing your photos. Make the dark areas a little bit darker and the bright areas a little bit brighter, so you really have this contrast, and it gives a little bit of mysterious vibe to it. Maybe if you're talented in Photoshop, you can add a little bit of mist into the picture afterwards, but I think playing with light and shadow in your image already creates a dramatic picture. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, I hope you learned something. If you did, leave a like and tell me in the comments what creative things you did in the forest. Creative things with photography, obviously. So leave a like, write a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!